This is program number 3, in which you are going to be shown the procedures for fully inspecting and testing AC squirrel cage induction motors. For purposes of demonstration, our test motor has been removed from the plant and is being checked in the maintenance department. However, the checks described can be performed on plant, providing all necessary safety steps have been taken to isolate the motor. Let's begin by first detailing the tools and equipment that you'll be needing to properly conduct a motor test and report. Apart from your normal hand tools, you will require a dial test indicator on a suitable base set. You will also require a 500-volt mega-ohm meter, such as the model BM6 Mega or equivalent. A photocopy of the report sheet from your workbook will also be necessary for noting your findings. Motor testing is divided into two main sections, namely mechanical checks and electrical checks. Beginning with mechanical checks, we first ensure that the rotor turns freely, at the same time listening or feeling for any signs of noise, roughness or tightness in the bearings. The shaft should rotate with a smooth, quiet rotation. Next, set up a dial test indicator to check for excessive rotor shaft end play or axial movement. Check maximum limits allowed by the manufacturer, but this will seldom exceed 0.08 millimeters. Next, set up to check for lateral movement on the shaft. Again, we should expect movement to be no more than 0.08 millimeters. With the same setup, check the shaft runout. This should not exceed 0.05 millimeters. Further, the condition of the shaft, specifically any keyways, should be in good order. Next, make a visual inspection of the stator frame and end shields for problems such as cracks, missing fasteners, or broken components. Check all fasteners for security. Check the cooling fan. A loose, cracked or damaged fan will cause problems with cooling and shaft balance. Next, check the terminal box for any damage, such as broken or missing cover screws, gasket damage, or cover damage. Make a note on your report sheet of those items checked, noting any faulty items found during the mechanical test and inspection. To summarize, the mechanical tests consist of checking the rotor shaft bearings, checking shaft axial play, checking shaft lateral play and runout, checking the shaft condition, making a visual inspection of the stator frame and shields, checking the fan security and condition, inspecting the terminal box, and noting any fault on your report sheet. After the break, we shall continue with electrical testing.